Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul Sherry's. Today I'm going to do a little walk around for you on the ever popular and one of our biggest sellers in the toy hauler segment, the Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf 27RR. Just built like a little brute, nice and sturdy, walkable roof. You can see the diamond plate used in several areas. Got the screen for the back. Opening, got some vents here for while you're running down the road. Notice the little green indicators tell you that you got 65 pounds in there. The green goes off, then you need to put air in. Got a black tank flush right by the dump station. Outside shower, good spot for that. This unit's got electric awning, electric stabilizer jacks, electric tongue jack. See some of the weights. It is gas electric water heater, all from the inside. Extended gutters, going to keep any black streaks off the side. That aerodynamic front end, that's all aluminum. Strong and reliable, 3,500 pound capacity. Pre-wired for solar. Great storage underneath the front end, underneath the master bedroom. Here's your electric awning. TV mount, speakers outside. Dry weight on this is $57.98. Come on in. Full vinyl one-piece floor. The curtain gives the master bedroom a little privacy. Plenty of storage up front. Outlets and lights. U-shaped dinette. There's your TV and AM/FM stereo CD spot. Got the larger Norcold refrigerator. It does have a stove oven, microwave, Moen style pull-out faucet, one-piece country style sink. The floor in this Gray Wolf is tongue and groove plywood. Walk-through bathroom. Storage underneath the sink and above the sink. Fantastic fan. It'll move a whole bunch of air. A day like today, it would feel good. Tub shower. Big skylight. Got the radius shower curtain, going to give you some extra room. Additional door into the garage. Great storage. You can set this up as 2 twin beds, 1 big king bed, or dinette. Give us a call today at Paul Sherry RVs.